Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. On today's video, me ye video I'm obia na online marketing ho se wote fie na chese or ye won phones na ye tie ne ka eno na me kanfo ama say m-kopa eye company bia omoton phones ema obia ohia phone mono anase at the spot nenso onkute sika boom so ode okoto na mum ope se obetieti anen kakra so what me chon ha eno ne se m-kopa eye jumaku a omone Samsung and Nokia company ene ye juma omo de nso omoton phones ema obia onya phone mona openenso onkute sika se woto no ha what me chon entino media me do omo contact ebetu me video yase ama se oye ready se obe join m-kopa online marketing na yituaka ewo mobile money so a bra wonko 1990 ewiem sa abre ye ewie ya no aye kati wonko 1990 for applications nko baabi ma yen ka ye ma kobra say na m-kopa ye omajima me de omo contact ni betu me video yase na wafa into fa number na wako store ewo WhatsApp list na wa name no m-kopa to name ni m-kopa wia na wa frɛ m-kopa fo ana wa chatting wo mo so pese oni obeka wo mo dwumeku ni ho na oton phones ni bi ema wo mo enti no o pese woni wo mo enye adwuma enti se wo qualify to work with m-kopa na wahwehwe bia wo nanfofo bia wo pro no bi so awote bia no obi hia phones enso nkute sika 500 Ghana 1000 Ghana 200 Ghana so kwa akoto phone sa brena enti baka kwaje phone no na dia breni pan o de brena ademo na nipa no etia m-kopa sika no na m-kopa fo nso so ede o share anase waketua no ma as how your people are paying the money. Help you get it. Kwanya unko for ni etua sika no na m-kopa for so ede wo share ma ewo ho. Enti m-kopa for omudwumaku a omudi ene se omoton phones ema wo bia ohia phone mono nanso onkute sika ewo ho. And they pays opese woni m-kopa for enye adwuma as I said no ombetua oka through your mobile money. It depends how you be active on your work and it be depending the money you earn from m-kopa. So if you want to work online and when you ska ewo mobile money so this app or this company is there for you. Enti fa number no me de betu animu na chese and let me clear this to you say m-kopa for embo me pay say me be adverts emo just helping you people to get work through online so as I say m-kopa for mo me pa ana omon so ma me ye say me adverts emma wo mo na mum be pese me ncho kwan a otifie bia wonye adwo applications ayen for said ye be ye otiwa obenye sika nkakra ewo wo mobile money ne so enu ntina me de m-kopa me ye m-kopa ho video say be ya wonso no onkosre ansana wadidi. So if you face any problem with m-kopa, contact them but not me please. Me wow that's okwa nyanto wase na enu wo mo enye adwuma ene video no me dey see her how to make money online through your mobile money with m-kopa. Okay, love you and I would still make video how we can make money. Okay, see you. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you.